You can also place 1 to 2 drops in a veggie capsule and take morning and night. And I like to use Doterra's veggie capsules here. So basically you just take one out like so. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the benefits and uses of the juniper berry essential oil. Derived from the coniferous tree, juniper berry essential oil has a rich history of traditional uses and benefits. Juniper berry acts as a natural cleansing and detoxifying agent and supports healthy kidney and urinary tract function. Juniper berry also acts as a natural skin toner and reduces the appearance of skin blemishes. Its woody, spicy, yet fresh aroma has a calming, grounding effect. When diffused, juniper berry helps cleanse and purify the air. The top 3 common uses for Doterra's juniper berry essential oil are aromatic, so breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. The main benefits for juniper berry are that it supports healthy kidney and urinary tract function and reduces the appearance of blemishes. The directions for use are diffusing 3 drops of juniper berry with 3 drops of cedarwood in a 4-hour diffuser like Doterra's pedal diffuser for a restful night's sleep. You can also place 1 to 2 drops in a veggie capsule and take morning and night. And I like to use Doterra's veggie capsules here. So basically you just take one out like so. You would open it up. Boom, there you go. You would put the 1 to 2 drops inside, and then you would take it with food and water for best results. And reverse osmosis water, alkaline water, or distilled water would be 3 great choices. You can also apply 1 to 2 drops of this oil with a fractionated coconut oil. And I like to use Doterra's fractionated coconut oil because it helps reduce the concentration, therefore reduce the chance of irritation from the essential oil when you apply the FCO or fractionated coconut oil first. It also helps you cover larger surface areas of your body, and it helps the essential oil to absorb better into your body. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, make sure to check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.